Thank you for watching this video. I am using a translator. I'm sorry if the nuance or meaning is different. Here again, in the calm bay. It's likely to rain. It is a reel that I overhauled myself. It's sunny. I started fishing at the same time. It's a good horse mackerel. Let's keep fishing. There are many ways to cook horse mackerel, such as tempura and sumair soup. I made sure I had enough to eat at home. Let's have lunch. Make horse mackerel sashimi. Finish cooking sashimi. Eat sashimi with soy sauce and wasabi. Drain the water with a paper towel. Looks delicious. Let's eat. Delicious as expected. It's delicious. Eat instant noodles. Topping for seafood noodles. Pour hot water. This water bottle is designed for mountain climbers, and the hot water does not cool down easily. Wait 3 minutes. Looks delicious. Dip in soup and eat. Thanks to nature. I also want to catch yellowtail. It seems to have eaten horse mackerel. Oh, I'm out. This was my only chance of the day. But I missed it. I can't catch yellowtail. But I had a relaxing day. I am glad that fishing is my hobby. I will work hard again. After returning home, I will eat horse mackerel sashimi and drink beer. I would love to come here again. Have a nice day today. See you again on this channel.